This is day 2. Today is how to make an e-Kamishibai and apply for our contest. Now let's start first topic, how to make an e-Kamishibai. As I told, Kamishibai is consists of pictures and voices with storyline. Nowadays, people have good devices, so movies, photos, music, or even machine voices help to make a good e-Kamishibai. It is very fun. Please enjoy to make your e-Kamishibai freely. And you need to tape a video of your show. There are many ways to tape them. You can use PowerPoint, smartphone, video editing software, or taping a video of your real Kamishibai show. Then post your video to YouTube. That's all. Next topic, how to apply for Kagawa e-Kamishibai contest. Please visit e-Kamishibai site. You can find left bottom on this page. And register your nickname and email address. You will get a reply mail. Then please wait for a while. You will get an email containing of your ID and password to post your e-Kamishibai for the contest. When you get the email, please log in to the site with the ID and password and post your video. That's all, complete. This is the first year we don't enough resources or knowledge. So we limited for Kagawa residency only. As I told, the contest is until August 30th. Therefore, it would be better to try next year. But you can watch many e-Kamishibais on our map. Please enjoy watching them to know Kagawa Prefecture. Thank you for watching Day 2. See you soon. Goodbye.